This is a free GTX 1060 that I found inside a garbage can. This is how you replace thermal paste on your old graphics card. You'll need a screwdriver kit and some new thermal paste. I'm using Corsair's because I like it. Unscrew the bigger bolts on the bottom. Separate the heatsink from the motherboard. And make sure to unplug the two little connections. Remove all thermal paste from the heatsink and from the GPU chip. Apply new paste. Connect one of the wires back. Close up the two caps while also connecting the second cable. Put the 4 screws back where they used to be before. And you're done, and this card has new thermal paste installed, which will make it much better than it used to be.